killed you, Jack. Alright, I win.
We need to carry some more.
Alright. Alright, that's game 1. End.
As a disclaimer, this video is not for kids, so if you're like 10 and under, so don't watch this video. Okay?
Like 9 and under.
Like 9.
Make sure you carry some packs.
So make sure to not watch this video.
Jack, don't waste.
Don't watch this video because this video has extreme violence in it.
You can only carry one thing.
Oh, what?
So this video is for only 12 plus.
Well, not 12 plus, like 9 plus.
No.
10 plus.
10 plus.
Alright.
I'm out of here. Okay.
In the description, it'll be 10 plus.
Round 2, me and Jack versus Zymir. So Zymir, all you have to do is stand at the bomb
Smoke our pack.
and defend it. And make sure we don't defuse the bomb or kill you. Just defend yourself, okay?
Just
Alright,
defend
also
yourself.
guys, my real name is Zymir, so if you get that messed up, pronounce it.
Please pronounce it.
Yeah.
Just pronounce it right or else.
Alright, you go in there. It's kind of scary.
Zymir.
Here, you record. So you have to, like...
Okay, hold on.
Alright, ready? Now go.
Hold on.
Go where those cinder blocks are. Hey, the entrance is right here.
Oh,
Right where I shot.
okay.
So follow that path. And then the cinder block is here.
Thank God I got a flashlight. Alright, for the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set! Where the hold on! Ow, 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 man. Where you at? I'm out. Oh, okay, there we go. Alright, next round, what teams?
Since we have extra.
Alright, so...
Put your empty mag.
Alright, guys, we're gonna cut to the next round.
Okay, so now I'm defending.
Is that a cat?
Oh, there's probably a black cat. But yeah, defending. I'm gonna shoot the puck. I'm gonna shoot them.
Good thing it work. Work!
What the heck?
Oh gosh, hold on. I'm so sorry. Oh shoot! Ah, dang it! Bro, what the heck?
Oh my God,
Oh,
Jack.
what?
It won't shoot. First of all, you got to put these in the right thing. Then close it all the way.
You're dead.
Alright, can we retry that? Yes. If you have any ammo.
Bro, what?
I shot you both! I shot you both! I just shot you!
Don't mess with the McDonald's queen. Or else you're gonna get your pack smoked.
Alright. End of round.